Class 6 Social Studies. Happy day students. This is part 2 video of the chapter Motions of the Earth from Geography. Topics to be covered in this video are seasons, summer solstice, winter solstice, equinox. It is clear that the Earth is going around the Sun in an elliptical orbit. Notice that throughout its orbit, the Earth is inclined in the same direction. A year is usually divided into summer, winter, spring, and autumn seasons. Seasons change due to the change in the position of the Earth around the Sun. On 21st June, the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the Sun. The rays of the Sun fall directly on the Tropic of Cancer. As a result, these areas receive more heat. The areas near the poles receive less heat as the rays of the Sun are slanting. The North Pole is inclined towards the Sun, and the places beyond the Arctic Circle experience continuous daylight for about 6 months. Since a large portion of the northern hemisphere is getting light from the Sun, it is summer in the regions north of the equator. The longest day and the shortest night at these places occur on 21st June. At this time in the southern hemisphere, all these conditions are reversed. It is winter season there. The nights are longer than the days. This position of the earth is called summer solstice. On 22nd December, the Tropic of Capricorn receives direct rays of the Sun as the South Pole tilts towards it. As the Sun's rays fall vertically at the Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degrees south, a larger portion of the southern hemisphere gets light. Therefore, it is summer in the southern hemisphere with longer days and shorter nights. The reverse happens in the northern hemisphere. This position of the earth is called winter solstice. On 21st March and September 23rd, direct rays of the Sun falls on the equator. At this position, neither of the poles is tilted towards the Sun. So, the whole Earth experiences equal days and equal nights. This is called an equinox. On 23rd September, it is autumn season in the northern hemisphere and spring season in the southern hemisphere. The opposite is the case on 21st March when it is spring in the northern hemisphere and autumn in the southern hemisphere. Thus, you find that there are days and nights and changes in the seasons because of the rotation and revolution of the earth respectively. We have completed the chapter, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.